Look, if you don't know how to pair your shoes with your pants, you don't even know where to start, I'm gonna help you out because today I'm gonna show you 5 steps you need to do to properly pair them so you always look good. Now, keep in mind these are just starting out guidelines. These are your basics. Obviously, there are exceptions to these rules, especially the more you develop your style and start expanding it. But if you wanna make sure you always look good, you wanna follow these 5 rules. Number 1, I need you to start by picking your trouser formality. See, I think that there's 3 basic trouser formalities. You have laid back, you have casual, and then you got formal. Laid back is your sweats, your joggers, etc. Your casual, it's your chinos and your denim. And your formal, it's your slacks, your trousers. This is where you start first. Choose one of those 3 categories and then we move on to footwear. Number 2, you gotta match the vibe. And for this one, it takes discretion because you gotta feel it out. Like, what vibes, what are you feeling out from when you choose one of the categories? Let's say you start with laid back. That's the category you choose. So when you look at sweats, what are you feeling? I'm getting deconstructed, relaxed, comfortable type of vibe. This is why sneakers combine so well here, because sneakers follow that same vibe of relaxed, deconstructed, and comfortable. Especially that sneakers, that's why it looks so good here, versus you throwing on dressy sneakers or dress shoes or boots. See, those, they just don't mix well. Which takes us on to number 3. Keep your basics covered first. See, when it comes to shoes, just like your clothing, there are a few basics that every guy needs to have covered first so you can have ultimate versatility in your wardrobe. For example, a simple white sneaker, a boot, and a nice leather lace-up are 3 workhorses that every dude should have in the wardrobe. These are your basics. This is where you want to invest a lot of money in to make sure that they're quality pieces because they're the ones you're going to be wearing all the time that match with almost every outfit. This is why I love Thursday boots. See, Thursday boots has you covered on all 3 sections. When people ask me like, yo, what's a good white leather sneaker? Thursday boot. See, they use handmade quality. The leather is insane and it's a basic sneaker that's always going to look good, that doesn't break the bank. What I like about Thursday boot, they're direct to consumer, so they're cutting out middleman from factory to your door to ensure you're getting the lowest price possible for high quality footwear. They also obviously have boots. This is what they're known for. If anybody asks me when it comes to boots, Thursday has the best boots in the industry because they look so well. Their designs are always on point and they're for sure going to be stylish. And the cool part is that they're Goodyear welt, which means you buy a pair of boots. Yo, some of my own Thursday boots, they're like 3 to 4 years old. And the cool part is the sole's not even wearing out. When that sole wears out, I can easily get it resoled because they're Goodyear welt and then just keep wearing them. The awesome part with the boot is that the more you wear them, the more character, the more rugged it looks. It's basically one of those investments that you do it now, you got it for the next 4 years. And they even have dress shoes, which means that they took all that quality, all that know-how that they got to build amazing dress shoes so they also can deliver it to you at a low price so you can have quality footwear. If you want footwear basics, like the stuff that every dude needs in your wardrobe, yo, go check them out. This is the lowest you'll ever find quality footwear for. And the cool part is like, yo, you got Christmas around the corner. If you want to gift yourself something or you know a loved one, your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, your dad, your brother, anybody, because they also do women's footwear. If you want to hook them up with something that they're actually going to wear, something that they're going to like, yo, hook them up with some Thursday boots. If you guys want to check them out, the link's going to be down below. Check out their whole lineup of shoes because I'm telling you, these are the ones you're going to be wearing all the time. Number 4, match them to the fabric thickness of your pants. See, when it comes to your shoes, I would say there's 2 different styles of shoes. You have your chunky, deconstructed type of shoe, and then you have your minimal, very structured, clean line type of shoe. So those are your 2 basic shoes. You're going to want to match those to the thickness of your fabric. Let me further explain what I'm talking about. Let's take joggers, that example that we were using. If your joggers are using a thick fabric with that loose fit, this is why chunky sneakers or sneakers that are deconstructed tend to look better or pair up better with this outfit versus you pairing them with clean minimal sneakers like a simple white sneaker. Notice how they just don't look as good because that thick fabric, that deconstructed comfortable fabric looks better with that deconstructed sneaker. It flows. All right, let's do another example. Take slim jeans. Slim, well-fitting jeans have those clean lines. It looks more formal, which is why it looks great with dressier white leather sneakers. Take those same slim jeans and pair them with those chunky deconstructed sneakers. Now look that it looks completely out of place. Those thin sneakers look better with those clean minimal lines of a simple white sneaker. Now let's change the thickness of the jean. Let's get a loose cut jean and match it with the chunky sneakers. Look how much better this looks versus taking that same loose, thicker cut with that clean minimal sneaker. It just doesn't go, it looks out of place. Which ultimately takes us on to number 5, choose the tapering. See, the tapering of your pants is basically how tight they come down to your ankle. And the general rule of thumb here is that the more tapered your pant is, the more formal it is. The looser or the more classic the cut is, the more casual, which is why, kind of like the rest of the video, when you choose your pant, look at that tapering. If your tapering is tighter, that means you have cleaner lines and chances are you're trying to look more formal and therefore dressier shoes and cleaner, more structured and balanced shoes are gonna look better. If your tapering is more classic, which means it's a little bit wider at the bottom, this means it's a more casual look and heavier set shoes tend to look better. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Thursdays. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.